What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Out, and we're getting ready for a nice little raz here. I cleaned out the office to make some room for some stuff, and I literally found piles of cards that I forgot I had. So, like I said, my loss is your gain. There's well over $250 worth of value here, probably more. This is some of the stuff that's pictured here, but there's lots more coming at you. You'll have to give me a bit to get it all together and sent off properly mail day. So, realistically, this won't go out with Monday's mail day. It'll probably go out with Friday's mail day. Just a heads up to the winner. All right. So live. Good luck. It is a lot of cards to package up. It is 12:20. Everybody's paid up. We're ready to roll, guys. Good luck. Best of luck. I gotta put Nick Steins there. OCD. There you go. 4 randoms. Good luck, guys. 12:21. Lots of traders. Lots of nice cards coming at somebody here. 1. All right. Let's try that again. Colby, spot 1. Nick, spot 10. All right. 1, 2, 3. So only top name is the winner, remember. Top name takes it all. Timestamp on 3 is 12:21. 12:21. Last and final random. Top winner taking home all the cards is Cody. He's on fire tonight. Spot number 5. Cody's taking home all the cards. Spot 5. Congrats, man. Here's your final timestamp, Cody. 4th and final timestamp. We got spot 5 winner on 12:21, and 12:21 it is. Spot 5, Cody after 4. Congrats, man. Guys, thanks for filming this, and we'll have that out to you Friday, Cody.